Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Tricks. My name is Mahesh Soni and today I will discuss you with the few questions asked in various previous year exams. That means previous year question in various exams, right? So the question based on the quantitative aptitude, that is quant. So let's move to the question. The question number 1 here, what will be the average of all the even number, average of all the even number from 1 to 100? You have to find the average, right? So I will give you the few method, 2 3 4 method to find the average of all the even number. So let's discuss first method 1. That means you have to find average, means from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100 all the even number, means first even number would be 2, 4, 6, 8, up to and so on up to 100, right? So you need to find the average. The first term means 2 into 1, you can write it. Second term 2 into 2, you can write it. You can write the third term 6 by 2 into 3 up to and so on. The 100 you can write it 2 into 50. It means the total number of term here from 1 2 3 to 50. It means total 50 term is available here. Now the average is, what is average? Average is equal to sum of all the data or entry or number whatever available, sum of all data divided by number of term. So here you need to find 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus up to and so on 100 divided by number of term. Number of term means 50 number term, 50 term, right? Now you can take 2 here common. So 2 into, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to and so on, it is 50 divided by 50. Now you need to know that the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to and so on 50, this is the sum of the natural number. So I'm writing here 2. You know that sum of the natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n into n plus 1, n means 50, so 50 into 50 plus 1, that is 51 divided by 2, and 50 is available here already. The formula is applicable. Formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of the natural number, right? So I'm writing here. So here 2 2 cancel out, 50 50 cancel out, so number is 51. So 51 is the answer, right? So this is your answer, option number C, right? If you don't take here 2 common, so the one formula 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to and so on. And if this is the formula, don't take n. So this is the formula 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to and so on. The formula is n into n plus 1, just this. So don't take 2 common. So here you can say the method another here available, right? So if you consider this method to solve the question, so upper term here numerical term would be n into n plus 1. Here you need to know that n is the number of term. So here number of term 2 into 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to and so on 100. So it would be 50 term. So 50 into 50 plus 1, that is 51 divided by this 50. So 50 divide, so 50 50 cancel out, it will give you the 51 is the answer. You can take it the another method, right? Now let's move to the another method. I'm giving you just the simple method, you can consider it. If the number is 2 4 6 8 up to and so on 100, right? So if you have to find the average, don't need to consider all the number, just take first and last term, the average of the first and last two terms. First and last two term, it means average is equal to first term plus last term divided by 2, and this is the average of the first and last term. So first term here 2 and the last term 100 divided by 2. is equal to 102 divided by 2, that means 51, and this is the average of whole the series or whole the number, right? What you had taken average of the first and last term, and that would be the average of the whole the series, whole the number, right? 51 is the average of all the number. All the number means sum of all the even number from 1 to 100. Is it clear? Now method number 3. What it say? N is equal to 1 upon difference, right? Not like this. Actually the number of term would be average. Here you need to consider just the number would be here 2 4 6 8 up to and so on 100, right? So number of term would be 50. Total number of term would be 50. So just take average of the middle term. Just take average of the middle term, whatever the available. If the number of term is even, then middle term would be 2 term. Middle term would be 2 term, right? Like in this case 24 term right side, 24 term left side, and a 2 term in the middle. So just take average of the middle 2 term, right? Here middle 2 term would be 50 and 52. So average, take middle 2 term, average of the middle 2 term, that is 50 plus 52 divided by 2, it means 102 divided by 2, that means 51, and this would be the average of the whole the number. And when n is odd number, n is odd number means in place of 50, if it had 51, so last middle term would be the single term. Middle term would be single term. Like in this case, if you had to taken the 51, so 25 number left side, 25 number would be right side, and one number is exactly in the middle position. So exactly middle term would be the average of all the numbers or all the series, right? So I hope it is clear to everyone, right? Now let's move to the next question. The question number next. Find the smallest number. You need to focus here the smallest number which when divided by 9, 8, 10 and 12 gives the remainder 3 in each cases. Right? 3 in each cases. So I'll give you the few method to solve the question. The method would be, let's say method 1. Smallest number. So number, let's say n is equal to LCM of the given number, that is 9, 8, 10 and 12 plus whatever the remainder in each cases. In the whole cases, all four cases, the remainder 3 is in each cases, right? So LCM of the number plus 3 and LCM of, let's say consider the LCM of 9, 8, 10 and 12. It will give us the maximum power of 2 is here 8, that is 2 power 3 into the maximum power of 3, that is 9, means 3 to the power, this 9 would be 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, that is 9, and the maximum power here, the factor available 5. So this would be the your LCM. 8 into 5, that is 40, 40 into 9 means 360 is the LCM, right? So n would be 360 plus remainder is equal to 363. This is your answer, right? Is it clear? So option C is the correct answer, right? Now method 2 I am going to discuss. You know that the LCM of many numbers when at least one number is even. Just focus on the point. When at least one number is even, then LCM would be even number. LCM would be even number. Is it clear? LCM would be even number when at least one number is even. The numbers which we are taking the LCM. In this case, the LCM is 8, 9, 10 and 12. Here 3 number is even number, right? And this is odd number. So our LCM would be even number, right? And instead of LCM, you had to add the remainder which are available in each cases. So remainder 3, that is odd number. 3 is odd number. So when you add even number and odd number, it will give us the odd number. Right? So our answer would be odd number. So our answer should be odd number, and this option D is even number. This option number B is even number. So these two options can't be the correct option, right? So option either could be C or A. Is it clear? Now let's check the option. So first here we have to find the smallest number, right? Smallest number. So first check in these two, because 363 is smaller than the 723. So first check option C. If option C is the correct option, then it would satisfy all the cases whatever given, right? If 363 divided by 9, it will give us 3 remainder. If it will divide from 8, it will give us the 3 remainder, right? Divide by 10, it will give us 3 remainder. When we divide 12, the same remainder is available. So the option 363 is satisfying the condition. Now if 723 also satisfy all the condition available, then in both the cases our answer would be 363, because 363 is smaller number than 723. So our option would be 363. This is method number 2. You have to check, right? And another method, you can check it by option method. How you will check the option method? Just you take 720, 360, 363 and 723. You need to check all the 4 cases and divided by all the 4 number, and if you will find the 3 remainder in every cases, then that would be your answer. But you need to know that it should be the smallest number. It should be the smallest number, because in question it is asked you need to find the smallest number. So if two option is satisfying both the cases, are all the 4 condition available, so you need to consider the smallest number and just neglect the bigger number, right? So this would be your answer, right? Because when you divide 360 by 360, this option B from 9, so it will give us a 0 remainder, so it can't be your answer. When you divide 720 by 9, it will give us 0 remainder, so it can't be your answer. So 2 option is neglected. When you divide 9 by 723, it will give us 3 remainder. When you divide 723 by 8, again 3 remainder find. 723 divide 10, it will give us 3 remainder. When divide 12, so it will give us 3 remainder. And 363 again in all the cases it will give us the 3 remainder. But in both the cases, here 3 in all the cases, 3 all the cases remainder we found, but the number 723 is bigger number than the 363, so we don't take 723. Our answer should be 363. This is the correct option, right? So method number 3 you can also check, right? Now let's move to the next question. Next question. But it say Rakesh has only 2 rupees and 5 rupees denomination coin. If he has a total of 60 coin and a total amount, here point to be noted here, the amount has total 240 rupees, find the number of 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin respectively. Here few methods I am going to discuss you. The method number 1, it is saying that this is the rupees symbol. So 2 rupees coin, let's say X coin, and 5 rupees coin, let's say by number of coin. These two are the number of coin, right? Number of coin. Is it clear? So here in the question, this is the basic method actually. Basic or conceptual method. Let's say here the 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin, total number of coin is 60. So total number of coin would be X plus Y, because 2 rupees coin is X, 5 rupees coin is Y. So total number of coin would be X plus Y, and it is given that it is 60, right? So this is equation number 2. And the total amount given 240. So total amount what it would be, 2 rupees coin x. So 2 into x, that is total rupees, 2x total amount, plus 5 into by, that is 5 by, and it would be the total amount, and it is given in the question 240. This is equation number 2. You can solve the equation first and second. You will get the value of x and y. So if you have to multiply equation first by 2 and then equation second minus equation first. So 2x minus 2x, that is 0x. 5 by minus 2 by, that is 3y, is equal to 240, minus 2 into 60, that is 120, is equal to 120. So you will get the value of y is equal to 120 divided by 3. It means it would be 40. Now this y's value 40, you can put in any of the two equation, you will get the value of x. So I'm putting the value of y in equation first. So we will get the value of, that is 60 and minus 40, that is 20. So the value of x is 20. So this would be the your answer, means 2 rupees coin is 20 and 5 rupees coin is 40. So 20 40 would be the your answer. This is option D, right? Now let's move to the method number 2. So method number 2, I am going to discuss you with by option method. You need to check by option. Let's say here total number of coin is 60 given. 2 rupees coin, first one option is 2 rupees coin, and the second part is given 5 rupees coin. So total number of coin 60. Here 2 rupees coin 45, 6 rupees, 5 rupees coin is 50. So just 45 plus 50, that is 95. The number of coin is 95, but here in the question it is given that it is number of coin is 60. So it can't be the option. 25 plus 45, total is 70. It can't be equal to 60 because 60 number of coin is given in the question, so it can't be the your answer, right? Now 10 plus 50, that is 60. It can be the your answer, but here 20 plus 40, that is 60. It can be the answer, it can be the answer, right? C and D is possible, but we have to check the another condition. The total amount he has is 240. Total amount 240, that means if 10 rupees, 2 rupees coin is 10, so total amount in this case 20. 2 into 10, that is 20, plus 5 rupees coin is 50, so 5 into 5, that is 250. It means it is 270, but 270 is not the total amount, so this can't be the your answer. It means C is can't be the your answer. Now let's move to the check another. 2 rupees coin is 20, so total amount would be 2 into 20, that is 40. Is it clear? Total amount would be 2 into 20, that is 40, plus 5 rupees coin is 40, so 5 into 40, that is 200. Is it clear? So total amount would be 40 plus 200, that is 240, and it is also given in the question. So both the conditions satisfy. So option D will be the your correct answer. Is it clear? Option D is the correct answer. Option. Now I have two method more, but for the time constraint it is going to be lengthy. So just stop the method, and I hope it is everything is clear to everyone, right?